Let's get ahead into trading. Okay, give me a second here. Okay. Now, let's look at the currency strength meter. Today, JPY is strong, NZD is strong. So most likely we'll be looking at JPY pairs. We usually know how JPY pairs go. They go well for us, usually, but let's see how we go today. Just give me a second. Yeah, I would like to check the news because I didn't check them this morning. 6:51. Okay. There was light news at 6:30 for Euro, but I already passed, which is fine. Now let's look at AED JPY. Let's begin with that. The market conditions should be bearish, so we would like to see overbought conditions. Just give me a second. My laptop is moving a bit crazy here. Because look, AED JPY is bearish. So we would like to look at bearish conditions. Now, let's look at an area where the market can hit. There doesn't seem to be any support or resistance. Oops, there is. There's one here. Okay. I will just put a couple of lines here. Oops, just give me a second here. Morning, Sonia. Morning, everyone. Okay. 50% on pocket options. Yikes. Well, I will still draw an area here in case because, okay, look at this area right now, for example. The market will move fast, so we must have steady pace. So this area right here, it's already inside the area. Not inside, sorry, the weak point did touch my area. We might have missed out that chance, that opportunity, but let's see. Okay. Okay. My area for AED/JPY is from 234 to 254. So please keep that in mind and look at this. A purple label just popped up. So that could be telling us that it can be going on a downtrend. But let's see. There's 2 more minutes of that candle. As I said, the weak point did hit our area, but it was too fast. We might have missed that out. Now let's look at a different area. Euro JPY. Or USD JPY. You know what? Let's look at USD JPY first. The conditions are bearish as well, but it doesn't seem to be close to us. Let's look at Euro JPY. Yes, it's going towards our area. The stochastic is slowly getting there to the overbought condition. But there isn't seem to be any errors here. Okay. Now this area that I will be drawing might not be a very well area due to the fact that in the past there wasn't any good support or resistance. The only roof we can find is this candle here, this present candle, and hopefully it can be the one. I'm repeating this one more time. The area that I'm drawing is not that quite well. It's already there though. Keep that in mind. It's already there. It did reach my area. Let me just push this a bit higher. Go. Now, if this present candle closes blue, I would like to enter it for bearish condition. But if you would not like to take that risk, that's fine. Because I did mention it will be a bit of a risky trade to take. But realistically can still go in our favor. Let's see, because the weak point did hit here. It might be going down now. Okay. Let's look back at ADJPY, see what the market is doing. Okay, look at this. It did hit my area. It broke out a tiny bit from my area. And now it's staying in a steady pace at the moment. It's showing us a green label, but let's see if it will end that way. EuroJPY is running away as well. Because look, this candle did hit my area, so we just missed two opportunities. But okay, but let's see. There's 3 more minutes. If this present candle closes blue, I would like to enter it for bearish condition. My area for EuroJPY is 961. No, is that 900? No, sorry. My area for EuroJPY is 957 to 027. That is my area for EuroJPY. So keep that in mind. Now, what other area we can look at? Just give me a second. Now look at this, ladies and gentlemen. If this present candle does actually close green and enters my area, then I would take it for bearish condition. But if it doesn't, I would not take it. EuroJPY. Ladies and gentlemen, I would wait. There's 2 more minutes to the end of the candle. Let's focus on these two currency pairs for now, so we can see what the market can do. Okay. Seems to be running away from us. Unfortunately. Hold on. Let's look at EuroJPY. Yeah, it's at 78%, which is fine. So if you're on pocket options as me, it is well. Now look at this. EuroJPY. At the moment, it is blue. If it does close as blue, I would like to enter it for a bearish condition, for a sell. But it seems to be running away from us again. Once again, it's running away. Okay, that is quite unfortunate. Okay. It did close blue, ladies and gentlemen. So let's see what the market will do there. And I did say I would enter it if it does close blue. But it is a bit of a risky trade to take. So if you didn't take it, that's fine. Oh, wow, look at this. Wow. Don't tell me we'll miss this as well. Wow. So ladies and gentlemen, while we were focusing on Euro JPY, AUD JPY hit my area, the weak point entered it, and now it's bearish. That's why I usually provide more areas in other currencies pairs. Because for example, when I look at Euro JPY, somebody else can be looking at AUD JPY. You understand my point? Because I can't be looking at all of the pairs all the time. Here I was focusing on Euro JPY, but realistically, AUD JPY was well as well. But it seems to be blue now. Well, let's see. Now let's look at another currency pair. We looked at AUD JPY, Euro JPY. Let's look at a different pair instead of JPY. Let's look at Euro USD. The market is bullish. Wow. What is this area? This area was a previous area that I used, but I don't remember what kind of area it was. Was it a pullback or support resistance? Not sure there, but I'll remove it. But right now here, due to the market for Euro USD being bullish, roughly about this area will be a good pullback area to enter. Look at this, stochastic is there, MACD is there. Now, let's look at the area where you can reach to. I am seeing a lot of roofs, but not much floors. Okay, there we go. Now I saw a couple of floors here. Now look, there's a floor here. Floor, 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 floor. And look, after this, there's a lot of roofs. Roof, roof. Okay, I think I saw more roofs than that. And there's a roof here as well. Another roof here. So yes, there are a lot of roofs here. So that is a well area. AUD JPY clearing 2 trades. This is what I'm talking about. EJ is tanking. Okay, let's see. By tanking, do you mean in a positive way? Yes, it is. Wow, wow. Okay. If you guys manage to take a trade on EJ, well done. Let's look at AUD JPY. It is winning as well. So this is what I was saying, ladies and gentlemen. I looked at the beginning at Euro JPY and AUD JPY. Cleared EJ. That's great. That's great. That's great. I'm happy to hear that. Now, we must have fast fingers here. Keep in mind, okay, this area right now is still well. It's already well here. In fact, I'm going to push this a bit lower here. Push it a bit lower here. Okay. This area at the moment, it is well to enter. But wow, it's breaking out massively. It is breaking out massively. This could be a risky trade to take. It could be the same risk as EJ. But we saw what happened with EJ. We won that. Sometimes we have to take risks. Okay. EJ. Hold on. Euro USD is running away from us. But technically, if you would like to enter it, you can enter it for bearish condition. For a sell. Even though it broke out from my area, I still believe the next candle could be bearish. But if you don't want to take that risk, don't take it. Euro JPY. So look what it did. It came to here. Those who took that trade won that. That is awesome. That is great. That is great. And look at this. Once again. AUD JPY hit my area one more time and now it's going down again. Wow, look at this. Euro JPY as well. Does anyone manage to take a trade there? EJ clearing 2 trades. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Sometimes I'm not fast enough myself, but other people have fast reactions because due to the fact that I'm looking at other currency pairs, other people focus on the other ones while I'm focusing on the currency pair, for example, Euro USD. Look at this. That is a good breakout there. Okay. Now, ADJPY as well, it reached my area. And so far, we are clearing it. Euro JPY, same thing, we are clearing it. Happy days, happy days. We are having winning trades. And keep in mind, we are in a Friday. Fridays usually can get messy. But today it's not messy. It's well. Now, let's look at another area. We looked at ADJPY, Euro JPY, Euro USD. Let's look at what else can we look at? USD JPY. Why not? Why not? JPY has been a good friend for us today. USD JPY is bearish, but it is really, really bearish though. That's the problem here. I can't seem to find the support resistance for it. So for now, I would avoid USD JPY. Instead, I would look at NZD USD. And that market would be bullish. Let's look at an area for NZD USD. Wow. There isn't seem to be an area for NZD USD as well for us to catch support resistance. That's fine. Let's just stick with our areas that we have for now. See possibly what the market can do. Andrew, I believe you would have cleared those trades right now for Euro JPY because I know you're either trading on 1 minute or 3 minutes. If I'm wrong, please correct me. Because that's how I remember. I remember you were trading on 3 minutes, usually. So 3 minutes already passed, so you would have cleared that trade for EJ. AJ as well. If you guys managed to take trades there, already in another one on EJ. Wow. Wow. That is great. That is awesome. We are winning massively today. Okay. Now let's see. I mean, we are winning. We are winning great. Euro USD, ladies and gentlemen, avoid it. For now, whatever is happening, avoid it. Let's see how many seconds are left. There's about 40 seconds left. Let me see if I can quickly catch an area for Euro USD. I'm only seeing roofs. I'm not seeing any floors. No. I will just leave it for now. It can technically, the next candle still can be bearish, but I didn't find any floors for my support resistance. I only saw roofs. Let's see. Cleared another EJ. That is awesome. That is awesome. I think so far you should be 40, 50, something like that, which is great morning session for now. Now, the 30-minute time period just hit. Let's see what the market will do. Well done. 6-0. Wow. Well done. Well done indeed. Sonia, can you please put down your results as well? Would you like to share it with us too? Okay, let's see. Euro JPY, Euro USD. 1-0. That is awesome. That is awesome. So far 1-0. That is great. It's great. It's a great morning session for now. Well, now let's look another possible area that we can look at. AUD/USD. Let's try that area. Let's see if we can find a support resistance. I remember here I drew the Fibonacci. That was a couple of days ago. No, I'm going much past in the past market, but there is not any good support resistance areas. I mean, realistically, there's no support resistance areas that we can find. And you already know, if I don't find the support resistance, I avoid that currency pair. This could already be an area, but I can't tell you if it's a good area or not if I don't have a support resistance. Let's look at Euro JPY. So, ladies and gentlemen, for now, I would just look at Euro JPY and AUD JPY. I tried looking at other currency pairs, but there is nothing, which is unfortunate. No. Look at this. AUD JPY almost hit my area, but you can still technically count it that it hit my area because it was literally 2-3 points away. Now, let's see. The weak point hit my area, or if you want to say almost hit my area, that's fine. But I would still count. Okay, look at this, it's going higher now. Now, if it does hit my area again, I would like to enter it for once again for a sell position, for a bearish condition. You already have the area here. Let's look at Euro JPY. It's slowly tanking there as well, slowly. But AUD JPY seems to be moving better. Or AUD JPY might have already made the move. Look at this. It went high, really high up to here. And I was bouncing back down. If anyone had fast fingers there, they could have taken it. Let's look at AUD/USD. Okay. Now for Euro USD and AUD/USD, I would wait a bit for the conditions because it can go down for a pullback area. If we can't find the support resistance, we can try and look for a pullback. But we have to wait for them. We have to be a bit patient for them. Look at this. What did I say? AUD JPY hit my area and I was bouncing back down. We might have missed out the opportunity. No. There's 1 more minute left. Let's see what the market will do. About 10 seconds, less than that. AUD JPY, he did a very real move there. Hit my area and run away. What did Euro JPY did here? Don't tell me we missed out that move. No, we didn't. Technically, it didn't hit my area. So that was, if you took the area there, it was wrong to take. I would like to wait for it to get inside my area. For example, if this present candle closes bullish as a blue candle inside of my area, then I would take it. Then I would take it. Let's look at ADJPY. It's giving us a purple label, but no. I don't think it can be a purple label because it's running bullish. Let's look at Euro USD. If it is going lower, no. At the beginning, the market seemed to be a bit more stable. Now it's moving a bit shabby. Okay. Currency strengths are still well, JPY well, NZD well. But look at this. Euro JPY touched my area, barely touched my area, and now it's bouncing back down. If you had fast fingers there, you could have entered it. But keep in mind, there is 4 more minutes left. Let's see notification there. Clearing AJ and EJ, that is awesome. But keep in mind, there is 4 more minutes left for that candle. So technically, realistically, it can push back bullish again. Or the other thing is, this could have already been the move. Sometimes it does that. Sometimes only the weak point does the move. Okay, let's see now. Somebody entered for ADJPY and EuroJPY. 2 trades, and both are clearing for now, which is awesome. ADJPY, it seems to be going down. That as well. EuroJPY as well. That is great news there. Let's try to look at AUD/USD. For the other currency pairs, I would only look at pullbacks, nothing else. What is USD/JPY? Is it? Yes, it's bearish. But even though here, the market needs to come maybe high as this much for me to enter it for pullback, but it's pretty far away for now. There's 2 more minutes left for the end of the candle. Let's look at NZD/USD. NZD/USD is bullish. Okay. Nothing. Not even for pullback. So let's just stick with the areas that we have. Okay. Now look at this. Seems to be wanting to be pushing bullish again. Let's see. Let's see what the market will do there. Okay, ADJPY. Seems to be bullish. EuroJPY bullish as well. There's less than a minute left. Let's see what the market will do there. Will it close bearish? Hopefully. Hopefully it will. It did. It did close bearish, so I believe Andrew must have cleared EuroJPY. Now let's see. Now there's 5 more minutes left for the other candle. Okay, Euro USD is going lower and lower. Hopefully, we'll go lower than that. I would wait for it to reach maybe roughly about this area if I am going to take a pullback here. AUD USD is doing well as well. Just give me a second. Okay, I'm back. Now, there doesn't seem to be any moves yet. Only Euro USD is doing a bit well. AUD USD as well. But the stochastic is nowhere near to the oversold condition. Neither is the MACD. So let's see. We can just only wait and see. Other than that, in a couple of minutes, I will be ending the session. I'll be ending a bit early today. I mentioned at the beginning where it's 4 participants. Nat. Okay. Hello, Nat. Welcome to the session, but unfortunately, I will be ending the session in a couple of minutes. The session started at 7 a.m. But that's fine. Next time, hopefully, you will know when to enter my session. Euro USD. We're waiting for it to go oversold. AUD USD, same thing. There doesn't seem to be any moves for now. NZD USD, nothing there. USD JPY, nothing there. Okay. I will give it one more minute before we decide what we're gonna do. So I was invited to meeting with Andrew at 7:45. That's okay. All right. That makes sense. Don't worry, it's fine. I'll be ending the session any second as well. So ADJPY, that's nothing there. But keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, here we took advantage of the market and boom, we won it. We took advantage, we won it. Euro JPY, same thing, we won it. So today, JPY was our good friend for the day. We won a couple of trades due to it. I'm happy to hear that. Clearing EJ, that is awesome. That is awesome. Now I'll stop sharing my screen now. So can you please put down your results on the chat if you would like to share it with us? And yeah, just want to see the results. What was the result today? I think Andrew was 6-0. Sonia, you were 1-0 and you have one clearing. Just to confirm it, can you please put it down in the chat? Euro JPY clearing, that is awesome. That is awesome. 3-0 for Sonia. Wow, that is great. Andrew, how about you? Did you manage to take any trades, other trades, or did you end it on 6-0? 8-0 for Andrew. Wow, that is great. That is awesome. So far, the week is looking very well. We haven't had any losses for the week yet. Now, I believe, Sonia, you would have cleared. Boom, good stuff, Sonia. Well played. It is good stuff. I'm proud of all of you so well. Happy to hear the results. So today, ladies and gentlemen, we had an 8-0 session. Tuesday we had 4-0. Monday had 4-0. You do the maths. You do the maths. We had a good result for the week so far. Tomorrow, keep in mind, I have a crypto session at 12 in the 12 lunchtime. If I'm wrong, I will let you guys know in Discord. But as I remember, it's 12 o'clock tomorrow lunchtime. So we're going to have a crypto session tomorrow. Or if you'd like to join it, please come by. Other than that, as I said, thank you for joining. I hope you enjoyed my session. And pretty much have a lovely day, and I'll catch you next time. Take care. Thanks, Ali. You're welcome. Have a good day, everyone.